to my channel. It's me, Tessa, or tesa.ma on Instagram. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. I have a purple themed inspired video for you guys today. I went all out and did my nails and makeup, as you guys are gonna see in a second. I really wanted to try out these Real Techniques limited edition Cashmere Dreams Complexion Sponge Duo. These are for liquid foundation and powder foundation, meaning that you can use it for liquid and powders. I really wanted to try this out because I actually love applying my powder with sponges, so I thought maybe let's check this out and see if it actually makes a difference when you use this one. But let me show you guys how this looks. So it just comes like this. This one that looks like the regular beauty blender, but then this one here has like a soft coating on it. I don't know if you can tell. I'm gonna show you right now. So here are the two, but do you see how this one kind of has like a I don't know if you can tell, but it's like white. It has like these fibers on the outside compared to this one that is just like a regular beauty blender. You see how you can kind of see the reflection right there from like the white? Yeah, it has like these little hairs on it. So I guess that one is probably the powder one. Maybe it's just the cashmere part of it. But we're gonna try these out. I'm gonna use this purple one for my foundation and this cashmere one for the powder, as you guys know from my regular routine. So let's go ahead and see if there's even a difference. Okay, so today I'm gonna start off with my infallible foundation. And as always, I already have my Pond's moisturizer on. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go in with this purple one like I mentioned. So this is the one that I'm assuming is for the foundation and not powder. It's cool. It's a little bit denser than the original Real Techniques sponge. The regular yellow one that I always get, that I'm always using. That one is like slightly softer. Obviously it's got its little signature shape, and this one's not that signature shape, but this one's pretty good too. Okay, so obviously it's already getting super stained, so that's kind of sucks. whereas to the other one is yellow, or it's already like orange, so you can't really tell when it's stained like that, but maybe that'll be a good thing because you can wash it better. Okay, so it did, however, like really blend everything out right away. It's doing a good job at blending. Okay, so I do like the shape of this. Like, so basically it's kind of oblong teardrop shape, but it's a bit flatter from this side, and then this, again, this is like at the egg shape. It's larger and you can really get into those areas really, really well. You cover a larger amount, so it is up to your preference as far as what you like with the shape of it. It feels nice though, like no complaints so far. Like, I don't hate it, like it's just normal right now. So did a good job. Let's go ahead and move on with concealer and see how it works with that. LA Girl concealer. I want a brighter under eye because we're gonna go simple today, and I do want to focus on skin. We're having a good skin day today, so why not? Tip of it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use my Airspun loose face powder. Whoopsies. Now we're gonna go in with the Cashmere one and see what happens. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just putting it right here. I'm gonna dip it. I can definitely tell a difference already. It picked up a lot of product, and this one has like not really any fall. Like, you don't wanna tap it, like it just went in and sucked it up right away. It's definitely a lot less messy. Like, literally I dip it in and there's no dust that goes up in the air. There's no, like, again, like I said, fallout. Yeah, there's literally like no fallout. Go in on the sides right here. Well, yeah, that made that process like 1,000 times easier because I don't even have any fallout. I didn't make a mess this time. I normally make a mess. So I'm gonna use my NYX Bright Idea Illuminating Stick in the color Sun Kissed Crush. Now this is, I believe, like a bronzer slash kind of like, you know, brightening thing, but I'm gonna use it on my eyelids today. So I'm just gonna apply like this. I want a really glowy look. Just right onto it, honestly. Blend it out. Create that nice natural sheen all over my eyelid. This literally creates a very natural, like glowy, warm, all over eyelid look. And then I'm just taking my Revolution makeup palette that I had used in my previous video. I'll go ahead and link it down below. It's my Revolution Reloaded Division palette. The golden color right here. Finger, nothing fancy, nothing crazy. Just to set what we applied there already, so it doesn't crease, because your girl got oily eyelids. Okay. There we go. And apply my lashes, which today we're using Balaojcosmetics lashes. I'm gonna go simpler with the lashes today, not as dramatic as I normally do, because again, this is a more natural look. Hello, this one I always use. And I forgot the names of these, but I'm gonna go ahead and link it below. And stay tuned to the new lash release. I think they're coming out. I love these lashes because they really, like, I really like how they make my eyes look, my eye shape. I think that, like, when it's less dramatic, it's kind of like harder to find some that make your eyes pop still, and these are really, really nice for that. It just has like the perfect amount of fluff and the perfect amount of wing to it. Okay, let's try. I'm gonna go ahead and contour my nose now. Mascara, if you want a detailed tutorial on this nose contour, go ahead and check out my how to fake a nose job video. We're in depth with my nose contour routine. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take my Real Technique setting brush that I always use for powder, and I'm just gonna dust off that bake and blend this all out finally. Maybelline Waterproof Rocket Mascara. This is my all-time favorite mascara, like the best. And just blend out the natural, just a little bit. You don't need that much. Just to blend out the fake with the real. I'm also gonna go ahead and use this for some blush, so we'll see how that works. Go-to that you guys already know. Maybe I'm gonna need to try like a new blush palette soon. But my Tarte Double Duty Make Every Moment Count blush palette, like this. You can find this anywhere. Let's go with the golden color, which is Live. I'm gonna take the sponge and I'm just gonna tap it like on the side. Start applying that. Ooh, I really like this for blush. Ooh, that's actually really nice. Like the shape of it is perfect. And it picks out like the perfect amount. This is great actually, I really like this one. I really like this for this, like for blush. The Real Technique setting brush again, and just blend everything. Make sure it's all seamless. Now I'm just gonna go in with Ashton by ABH on Anastasia Beverly Hills. I need to get a new one. I'm just gonna go ahead and create a rounded pout look. I'm not overlining just because it looks a little crazy when you do that with like just lipstick. There we go. And I look like Hugo. There we go. I'm gonna put a little bit of, actually, do I want to keep it matte or do I want to go in with the glow? Let's go in with the glow. I'm gonna use my Model Co. Cream Highlighting Trio Wheel. I'm just gonna go ahead and like do a mix of all of them. That's usually what I do. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Gleam Glow Kit. And I'm gonna use Mimosa. One more time, the nails. Don't tell on me, but I always make my thumb shorter because it's easier to type on my phone. It looks kind of funny when you have them like this, but I don't care. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, make sure you go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Comment below what you think of it. If you guys want to see more of these types of videos, again, I always love when you guys give me feedback because it helps me out on figuring out what I should make more of. I know you guys are waiting for that RV renovation video, which will be coming soon, so just relax. In the meantime, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to Enrique's Garage as well. That's where you'll have more information on all his builds. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you go ahead and follow my nail page, tesa.ma Nails, and check out all my nail designs. But again, one more time, here is the nails. I really like this look. So yeah, this is my completed look. I hope you guys are taking care. Make sure you wear your masks. Thank you guys so much. We've reached 3K subscribers and then some. So thank you guys so much. It really means so much. Like, we've been trying to get there for a minute now. So I have you guys to thank for that. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for joining the giveaway. If you joined the giveaway as well for Balaojcosmetics, that was a hit. She has so many entries and she's picked the winners and it's just awesome. So thank you guys so much for supporting that as well. So yeah, thank you guys so much. One more time. Mwah.